from being absolutely cooked, guys, I look cooked, to traveling the world and having an amazing time. I was selling phones on the floor for $15 an hour, looking like this. Actually, there's an awesome vehicle nowadays, which is what we call the AI operator business. It's a little bit different from an AI automation agency, but it's pretty similar. This is for people who want to start or build their AI operator business to $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Now, I recommend you charge about $2,000 to $30,000 to start with per solution, per setup. Even if you build nothing yourself, you don't need any tech skills or experience, and you can do it in as little as 1 hour per day. So these are some Stripe payments that you'll also be able to get when you start or scale your AI operator business. So how you can profit $10,000 a month, taking advantage of the new AI wave. For example, Arjan, right? When he started with us in November 2024, he had absolutely nothing going for him. He was selling inflatable toys on the street, making $0 in an entire month of working. So after we kind of forced him to start his AI automation agency, he quickly scaled from, I think, 7K in the first month to 12K in the second month, 15K in the third month, and doing 30K in the fourth month. And then in the first 10 days of April, he's already done $32,500 in cash collected. And we got Noah, for example, 17-year-old high school dropout, closing 6K deals. These are all beginners, right? Matthias, for example, closed $3,000 after 21 days of working with us, and he literally went from 0 to 15K a month. Now he's moving to Bali. Now, what will most channels tell you? They will tell you to learn Make.com or Synthflow or N8N. But we're going to take a little bit of a different approach, because the people who actually make money in AI are not the AI automators. So instead of being the guy who goes in the dojo to train Make.com all day, every day, we focus on getting clients. We make sure we get 2 to 30K payments, 10K per month. So average price to set up an AI solution between 2 and 30K, but 5K for, let's say, beginner. That means 2 clients, simple math, 2 times 5 guys, 2 times 5, $10,000. Close 1 in 5, 10 show ups. Not everybody's going to show up. So to compensate for that, you need about 12 calls booked. 12 booked, 10 show up, you close 2, boom, you made $10,000. 4 weeks in a month. 3 calls a week will get you your 10K month. Really awesome about being an operator: delegation, systemization, and scale. You get a setter, they book 20, 30, 40 calls a month. Ultimately, you get a closer. Now you've delegated appointment booking, appointment closing, and you delegated the automation itself. So now you make money pretty much passively. And then it's all about operating, managing, making sure that the things are being done. And at that point, you're honestly not doing a lot. So to implement a simple system and get to your first 10, 20, 30K a month, book a call in the comment or the description below, and we'll give you the exact system, the plug and play models, and you can ask us any question you have. So this is an easy way to just get ahead and get a head start and just get a lot of value, because that's honestly what makes you the most amount of money. That's the beautiful thing when you have a simple system and a simple roadmap. It's like a cheat code. So you create leverage and you create the connections you need. This is like our client retreat, right? This was last December 2024 in Koh Samui. 5 of our clients spent 10 days in a villa with us. And after they went home, they all had their best months, making like 2, 3x or 4x the money they made before they were at the mastermind, because of proximity. A lot of people want you to believe you need to learn hard and learn a lot and grind really hard. Most entrepreneurs, they become successful just because of proximity, and they never tell you this. So the people who start out, they don't get to experience the proximity effect. It's not working hard. It's not learning hard. It's proximity, having a simple system and maximizing that, and then just living life on your own terms. And that's how you turn from an expert or a laborer who's trying to learn or work hard into an operator. You see the game from above. That's an entirely different world than being the pawn on the chessboard. Too many people are moving like the pawn on the chessboard. Positioning is absolutely key, and positioning goes further than just marketing. And when you position yourself in the correct environments and the correct system and from the correct perspective, you make money just like that, and then go build and scale further or live your life. Automation itself is not that special. It's just making workflows inside businesses more efficient so they can ultimately make more money or save time, because that's what business owners care about. So the way you want to take advantage of this is really the client acquisition. There's people who are studying computer science, becoming developers, becoming coders, and these are the people that end up in normal 9-to-5s, right? If you want to get different results, you have to have different actions. Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And it's absolutely true. He's worth $154 billion. And the only way we can do that is by setting up systems. That's when we create leverage. And when we create leverage, we're able to actually make money while not even working in the business. Because some people, they just want to travel, right? Some people, they just want to live a life. Some people want to take care of their loved ones, right? Everybody has their different goals. And what we really want to do is use AI as a vehicle for us to ultimately achieve the lifestyle we want to live. You went to make money online because you wanted to find a way to be free. But then you get people on YouTube who are screaming at you like, you need to hustle, you need to grind, blah, blah, blah. And then you get caught up in this like hamster wheel of like hustling and grinding harder. That is what's going to actually keep you poor, because that's a very one-dimensional way of looking at things. The smart person creates leverage. Do you think Warren Buffett made 154 billion by grinding hard? It doesn't make sense, right? They create leverage, they create scale, they productize. And that's exactly what we help clients do. So to get you to 10, 20, 30K a month, start implementing the systems, go book a call. The link is in the description. And I'll talk to you personally, get you some fucking value, or you talk to my business partner and we'll just have an amazing time. All right. Hope you have a wonderful day and speak soon.